Modern armored vehicles are designed to navigate the most hostile environments on Earth, subjecting complex systems of engines, hydraulics, and transmissions to immense mechanical strain. For decades, defense logistics have managed this strain through rigid, time-based inspection schedules. This legacy approach guarantees a highly inefficient outcome. Functional components are removed prematurely based on arbitrary timelines, or unpredictable mechanical failures occur directly in the field. To solve this, military engineers are transitioning to predictive maintenance, or PDM. Predictive maintenance deploys machine learning algorithms to continuously analyze real-time sensor telemetry. By identifying subtle anomalies in the data, it flags mechanical faults before they physically manifest. Implementing this continuous monitoring reduces costly downtime and ensures that a fleet remains at high battlefield readiness. The engineering objective is straightforward. Build a highly accurate machine learning pipeline capable of predictive maintenance from scratch. We will train this architecture using the AI4i 2020 Predictive Maintenance Dataset, a robust collection of simulated industrial telemetry. The target performance benchmark for this system is engineering an ensemble architecture that achieves over 98.9. Based on these 6 streams of data, the primary output task of our machine learning model is binary classification. The model must categorize every incoming telemetry snapshot as either Class 0, meaning normal operation, or Class 1, indicating a failure. However, the physical reality of a vehicle breakdown complicates this binary output. A mechanical failure is not a single uniform event. A Class 1 alert in our system is actually triggered if any of 5 distinct mechanical breakdowns occur within the vehicle. As this diagram shows, the single Class 1 failure state branches out into tool wear, heat dissipation, power failure, overstrain, and random failures. Each of these specific failures leaves a unique, often overlapping signature across the 6 features of our telemetry data. Our predictive model must possess the statistical sensitivity and complexity required to detect all 5 of these distinct failure signatures without triggering false alarms. Training a model to detect rare anomalies introduces a statistical friction point, class imbalance. This bar chart displays the raw imbalance in our training data, specifically the minuscule number of actual failures compared to the healthy baseline on the left. We have exactly 6,760 healthy samples, but a mere 240 instances of actual mechanical failure. This triggers the base rate fallacy. A naive classification model trained on this skewed data will simply learn to guess Class 0, or healthy, every single time. Because failures are so rare, guessing healthy yields a superficially high accuracy score, while completely failing its core purpose of detecting breakdowns. To correct this imbalance, we apply an algorithmic intervention known as SMOTE, the synthetic minority oversampling technique. SMOTE does not simply duplicate existing data. It uses k-nearest neighbors to analyze the rare failure states and generate mathematically plausible synthetic data points for the minority class. Looking back at the chart, the towering bar on the right shows the result of the SMOTE intervention, scaling the minority instances up to exactly match the 6,760 healthy samples. This second graph shows the total volume of the training set jumping to over 13,000 samples, providing a balanced learning environment. By synthetically balancing the classes, we force the algorithm to actively search for anomaly signatures rather than defaulting to the majority probability. With the data pre-processed and balanced, we move to the construction of the predictive engine. This flowchart illustrates the overarching architecture engineered to process our data, a bootstrapped meta-ensemble model progressing from Phase 1 to Phase 4. In Phase 2, we bootstrap the data with replacement. This creates 5 distinct, randomized training samples of equal size. Phase 3 takes those 5 samples and deploys them into 5 independent base classifier algorithms, avoiding reliance on a single fragile approach. The ensemble incorporates light gradient boosting, a decision tree, gradient boosting, a random forest, and an extra tree classifier. This structural diversity is required because each algorithm processes nonlinear sensor relationships and specific failure modes in different ways. Finally, Phase 4 aggregates the individual predictions from these diverse models into a single cohesive output. The system uses a majority voting mechanism to determine the ensemble's final predictive verdict. Layering these algorithms provides multimodal robustness, insulating the final prediction from the noisy edge case telemetry anomalies that routinely trick individual models. By combining diverse mathematical approaches, the ensemble captures subtle mechanical failure signatures that any single model would miss, generating a highly resilient early warning system. The final step is verifying this architecture against a subset of unseen testing data to prove its readiness for use. This confusion matrix displays the performance of our meta-ensemble on the testing data, mapping true positives and true negatives. The high concentrations in the quadrants confirm its accuracy. Notably, the model produced very few false negatives, meaning it rarely failed to predict an actual breakdown. This scorecard breaks down the final results. The meta-ensemble achieved an accuracy of 98.93%, 99.80% precision, and most importantly, a 99.03% recall score. In the context of managing high-stakes assets, that recall score is the most critical metric on the board. High recall means the predictive system is exceptionally sensitive. It will flag anomalous telemetry with high reliability, almost never missing an impending mechanical failure. However, using synthetic SMOTE data introduces a vulnerability, the risk that the model overfit the training data and will collapse when exposed to real-world environments. This line graph maps the results of a repeated 5-fold cross-validation, a rigorous stress test used to disprove that overfitting risk. The tight grouping and overlapping of the 5 distinct run lines prove the model's reliability, demonstrating consistent accuracy across completely diverse testing subsets. Integrating this ensemble-driven pipeline transforms raw telemetry into a reliable early warning system, moving fleet management beyond reactive repairs toward a significant reduction in unexpected downtime.